Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best of 1517 to Paris is probably one of the most inspiring and true stories of modern times, chronicling the incredible bravery of three American servicemen who thwarted a terrorist attack on a train bound for Paris, showcasing how ordinary individuals can rise to extraordinary heroism when faced with unimaginable danger, making it a must-watch for anyone who believes in the power of courage and quick thinking. Number 5. Big Shot, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. Number 16. Get ready for the latest installment of the beloved series. This time, our hero is diving headfirst into the world of sports. It's going to be a wild ride. In the 16th book, the pressure is on like never before. Can he handle the competition and come out on top? Find out in this hilarious new adventure. He's always looking for a new way to prove himself. This time, it involves a team and a whole lot of unexpected twists. Will he score big or strike out? The dynamics of family and friendships are put to the test. He'll need all the support he can get as he navigates this new territory. It's a story about more than just the game. Prepare for the signature humor and relatable situations you've come to expect. This book is packed with laugh-out-loud moments and unforgettable characters. Don't miss out. The wait is over. Grab your copy of Big Shot today and join the fun. It's the perfect addition to your collection and a guaranteed good time. What we like. If you love stories about everyday school life and relatable characters, this is for you. It captures the humor and challenges of growing up perfectly. If you're looking for a fun, light-hearted read that feels like a familiar friend, you should consider this. What people say. This is a true story about the three pilots who flew from Paris to Paris in 1927. The film is a faithful adaptation of the book, capturing the spirit of adventure and camaraderie. It's a visually stunning film with beautiful cinematography of the French countryside and the Atlantic Ocean. Number 4. Mind-glowing photo clip string light. Illuminate any corner with the gentle, warm light of our 16.4-foot string of 50 LEDs. It adds just the right touch of ambience to elevate your space and make it feel inviting and serene. Everything you need to start decorating right away. Inside, you'll find a 16.4-foot copper string with 50 LEDs, a remote control, 50 transparent photo clips, 6 wall hooks, and 12 adhesive strips. Let your creativity flow and transform your space effortlessly. Whether you prefer USB for non-stop power or 3X AAA batteries for on-the-go flexibility, these lights adapt to your vibe. They are perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or outdoor fun. From calm to festive, choose from 8 twinkle modes and control brightness with the remote dimmer and auto timer. Set the perfect ambience for any occasion, all at the push of a button. Crafted with durable materials and includes a remote, adhesive strips, clips, and flexible copper wire, all in gift-ready packaging. It transforms any room into a warm, inviting retreat. This makes a perfect gift for birthdays or any special occasion. It's suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, or creative corners, and comes with a 4-year warranty for lasting shine and peace of mind. What we like. If you want to add a cozy and personalized touch to your room, this is a great choice. It combines ambient lighting with a way to showcase your favorite memories. If you're looking for trendy teen room decor or a unique gift, you should consider this. What people say. The movie is a true story about the courage and bravery of the pilots. It is a well-made film with excellent acting and directing. The story is inspiring and uplifting, showing the best of humanity. Number 3. Lego Adidas Original Superstar 10282 Building Kit. Introducing a unique building experience that lets you recreate one of the most recognizable sneakers ever made. It's a fun and rewarding project for adults. This model is packed with true-to-life details, from the famous shell toe to the signature 3 stripes and Adidas branding. It even includes real shoelaces. More than just a building set, this is a fantastic display piece. It comes in a realistic shoebox-style package, making it a great tribute to the original. Searching for a special gift for an Adidas enthusiast? This is the ideal present for anyone who loves streetwear or enjoys a creative building challenge. Standing over 4.5 inches high and 10.5 inches long, this impressive model is a substantial build. It's a project that truly stands out. What we like. If you're a fan of streetwear and enjoy building intricate models, this is a must-have. It's a unique way to own a piece of fashion history. If you're looking for a challenging and rewarding build that doubles as a cool display item, you should consider this. What people say. The 1517 to Paris is a gripping and inspiring true story of courage and heroism. Clint Eastwood directs this film with a steady hand, delivering a powerful and emotional experience. The film stays true to the real-life events, showcasing the bravery of the three young men who thwarted a terrorist attack. Number 2. The 1517 to Paris, true story. In August 2015, a terrorist boarded a train bound for Paris. He was armed and ready to inflict mass casualties. 3 American friends were on board that fateful train. They noticed the attacker preparing his weapon. Without hesitation, they sprang into action. Their bravery prevented a horrific tragedy. This is the incredible true story of their courage. It details the events leading up to and during the attack. Discover how ordinary individuals became extraordinary heroes. Their quick thinking saved countless lives. Witness the gripping events as they actually happened. It's a testament to the power of courage and friendship. What we like. If you're moved by stories of courage and real-life heroism, this book is incredibly compelling. It details an extraordinary event and the bravery of ordinary people. If you're looking for an inspiring and gripping true account, you should consider this. What people say. The 1517 to Paris is a gripping and inspiring true story of courage and heroism. The film stays true to the real-life events, showcasing the bravery of the 3 American heroes. Clint Eastwood's direction is masterful, bringing a sense of authenticity and tension to the narrative. Number 1. Black Alphabet Marquee letter sign LED light. Brighten up any room with this charming LED letter light. It's a modern and beautiful way to add a warm, inviting ambience to your home. This versatile light is ideal for birthdays, parties, holidays, and special events. It comes beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift. Simply insert 2 AA batteries and switch it on. You can easily hang it on a wall or place it on a table for instant decoration. Surprise the special ladies and girls in your life with this unique gift. It's perfect for Christmas, birthdays, or any occasion worth celebrating. Choose the letter that represents you or a loved one. It's a fantastic way to add a personal and decorative touch to any bedside table or shelf. Whether it's for a child's room, a home bar, or a wedding, this light adds a touch of magic. It's a wonderful solution for creating a festive atmosphere. What we like. If you want to create a personalized and eye-catching decoration for any event or space, this is perfect. It allows you to spell out names, words, or numbers. If you're looking for a versatile and fun lighting solution for parties, gifts, or room decor, you should consider this. What people say. The movie is a true story about the Paris Air Show. It is a story about the courage and resilience of the pilots. The film is a tribute to the bravery of the Air Force pilots. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.